Good morning, friends. Welcome to Vastu of the Body, third pillar. Well, it's nice that we have strongly constructed the two pillars till now, and hope all the principal fundas are very much clear to all of us. Number first pillar, it's sun gazing. Number second pillar is barefoot walk, and we are very much clear how the body gets charged by this time, and two pillars are fine. So now let's get into the third pillar. What exactly is the third pillar? In first pillar we have learned how to absorb the energy, how to absorb the cosmic energy from the sun. In second pillar we have learned how to ground this body, how to charge this body like a battery by doing barefoot walking. Okay, now let's get into the third pillar. Third pillar is sun bathing. We all know regularly we are taking our bath, shower to keep this body neat and clean. Well, externally we are doing this thing. Externally we are keeping our body neat and clean. But what about internally? So to cleanse our body internally, we need to do sun bathing regularly. Yeah. By doing sun bathing, we can solve a lot of health issues in the body. One thing. Second thing, we can rejuvenate our cells. The newborn cells, we can rejuvenate them. Okay. And it's something like a direct source of food for the cells in the body. Like several times I have repeated earlier also, we have a nose, a mouth. When we are putting an input through this only like that, we should be very much aware on this pranic journey that all over the body, all over the skin, there are several nose and mouth through which the skin breathes, it inhales and exhales, and likewise like the mouth, it also eats, it also absorbs the energy. So by doing this sun bathing practice, the cosmic energy is absorbed through the skin pores, the holes all over the skin, whatever we are saying, through that also the energy is absorbed. And through that also the inhalation and exhalation process keeps on going. Okay, and second thing we need to know that this body already produces certain essential oils which very much helpful for this body, and those essential oils keep this body very much healthy. Okay, so in my view, what I'm thinking is it's better to stop these chemical soaps and all whatever we are using to maintain this body, because if we are using those chemical soaps and all to cleanse this body, the pores get blocked. It blocks the essential oils that are producing from this skin. So due to that we may suffer several kind of ill health and all. Okay, so by doing this sun gazing, the pores and all, they are very much clearly opened, and it has an opportunity to produce more and more essential oils for this body, which keeps this body more and more safe and healthy. Okay, now how to do this sun bathing process? Sun bathing process, as I told you earlier, sun gazing could be done in the ultraviolet index of 0 to 2. When the index is in between 0 and 2, sun gazing can be done. Likewise, barefoot walk could be done any time throughout the day. It's not necessary that you have to do it in the morning or in the evening only. You can do it in the noon also. Morning it's okay, evening also, and in the night also, provided it should be a dry surface, not a wet surface. So that we have learnt in this barefoot walk, the second pillar. So likewise, same in the third pillar also, the sun bathing should be done when the ultraviolet index is between 2 and 5. When the UV index is in between 2 and 5, the sun bathing could be done. Prior that, before 2, like in 0 to 2 if you do, you may not be having that much benefits. And after 5, when the ultraviolet index goes to 5, and after 5 if you try to do, there may be a lot of tanning and skin burns may also be there. And especially if you are not a raw eater, internal damages may occur. okay, if you are doing after 5. So the safer time, the best time to do the sun bathing is when the UV index is between 2 and 5. It varies, the timing varies from season to season, it keeps on changing. So we need to find the ultraviolet index in our region, what's the UV index, and we can proceed accordingly. Generally in summer season it comes between 8 to 8:30 is the best time you can do the sun bathing in summer season, I am telling. When it comes to winter, it may be around 8:30 to 9. So like that, in different seasons and different geographical places also, it keeps on varying. So we need to check the ultraviolet index and do. Once you are well experienced in the sun bathing process, then you can do a little bit time up and down, that's not a problem. And you will know very much clearly that if sun is burning, you have to stop it. Second thing is, this sun bathing should be done only for 45 minutes, not more than that. In the second pillar, we have learned that barefoot walk should be minimum 45 minutes, and more than that we can do. 1 hour, 1.5 hours as per our convenience, we can do that. But when coming to sun bathing, it should be done to a maximum of 45 minutes only, not more than that. So better you can do in between 30 and 45 minutes. In this duration you can do sun bathing. Well, till now we have got the information when to do the sun bathing and all, and it's very much clear now. So now how to do the sun bathing, we may have a doubt. So it's very simple and easy, nothing to worry in that. While doing sun bathing, you can do this either in the nature, if you are present in the nature anywhere, if you have a place nearby, you can do that. Or if you don't have a proper place, you can do it on your home terrace also. On the terrace of your home also you can do this. So to do this sun bathing, just lie a, what you call a bed sheet like, or a yoga mat with whatever you are comfortable. And if you are, for the males I am telling, wear very small shorts, so that the skin of your entire body, it's exposed to the sun. Okay, you can lie straight for a while and reverse it. On your back also you can sleep for a while. Okay, so in this posture for 5, 10, 15 minutes as per your comfort, and again in this posture for 5, 10, 15 minutes as per your comfort. Like that, in between 30 to 45 minutes you have to do this. So just watch this, that your skin has to absorb the sun rays in that time. So just wear a small shorts or a towel or something, whatever you are comfortable with. And for female sisters and all, wear lighter clothes, wear very lighter clothes, so that the sun rays penetrates to that cloth and your skin absorb it. So try your comfort posture, whatever the best you like, at the home terrace or wherever you like. Okay, so now the information is totally clear. How to do this sun bathing, when to do the sun bathing, and where to do the sun bathing. If you have further any more doubts regarding this sun bathing and all, you can just text me in the WhatsApp. We'll definitely reply you. So hope by this time first pillar, second pillar and third pillar is clear. Okay, first and second we have already started constructing it and we have done our best in that. So now let's start working on the third pillar also. And very shortly we will be coming up with the fourth pillar, very shortly. Okay. Thank you very much. Peace, love and blessings.